Alright, now in this example, we're given the following sentence, which has a blank spot here, and we have to choose the most appropriate word from the word bank to put right here so that this makes sense, or at least so that it's true. And so I'm going to read it as is to start with. So it says here, a document showing how each monthly installment payment is split between interest and principal is called a loan schedule. And so if we look through the word bank, this one can be a little tricky, but the way these documents look is that you literally have payment 1, and then you've got the amount of interest that's accrued by that time, and then how much of that was left over to actually go towards the principal, and then how much of your mortgage is left over then. And then for month 2, the amount of the mortgage here accrues some new interest, some amount of your payment goes towards principal, and the mortgage goes down a little bit, and so on and so forth. And what happens is the amount you pay towards interest gradually goes down, the amount you pay towards principal gradually grows up, and eventually the mortgage reaches $0. So this one's a little tricky to memorize, but the word that belongs here is actually amortization. So I'll put that here. And the way to remember that that's what this is that you can see in here mort. And so perhaps this reminds you of like a mortician, which is someone who deals with, corpses, and they work in funeral homes and stuff like that. And literally what this means is that you're killing off the loan. That's where this word comes from. So it's a little ominous, a little spooky, but if you just think that it's the thing that shows how over time the mortgage eventually goes down to 0 and the amount that you're paying towards interest goes down slowly, slowly, slowly. And so it's literally called a killing it off schedule. And so, however you memorize it, amortization schedule is the thing that shows how your monthly payments are split between interest and principal over time. And that is this example.